Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, let's see ano yung energies for you. Ngayong September 2026. This is a general reading. So, pwede kayong makarelate. Pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description and comment section. Okay, Libra, let's see. What's the energy sa inyo ngayong September 2026 for Libra? Change. Oh, para kang nasa cocoon. Oh, merong ano rito, metamorphosis. You are reinventing yourself. Oh, 'di ba? It is a brand new you, version 2.0 o anumang level niyan. But ngayong September, you are bringing out the new version of yourself. Someone na mas malaya. Someone na free. Someone na mas matayog ang pangarap. Kasi ano to 'di ba? Butterfly. It's only a matter of time. So ngayong September is a transformative month para sa'yo. You are aligning yourself to the higher version of yourself. You also have community, so I think you are surrounded by the people that you need, people that support you. Yung mga taong sumusuporta at nakaka-recognize ng kakayanan mo. At sila rin yung nagiging inspiration mo for this change, para sa pagbabagong ito. More on higher self yung energy ninyo. Merong solitude. You find peace in solitude. Kung dati, nabubuhay kayo or mas buhay kayo kapag meron kayong mga taong nakakasalamuha. But ngayong September, I think you will spend more time with yourself. Part ng healing process ninyo, part ng transformation ninyo. Maaari ring marami kayong marirealize about yourself, ano yung pwede mong i-improve sa buhay mo. Some of you are going to go through a major awakening, spiritual awakening, especially if you are going through your Saturn return. Okay. So this is your overall energy, challenge, opportunity, and the blessing. Wow, okay. So the Page of Cups is your overall energy. Very imaginative ang energy ninyo. You are gearing towards the first step to heal. So lalo na kung kayo ay may pinagdaanan recently, like a major change or challenge in your life, mas optimistic pa rin naman ang inyong mindset ngayon. You are open to connecting to your higher self. Some of you naman, maaring magta-tap in kayo sa inyong creative side. And also, lahat ng mga pangarap mo, this is going to be grounded. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo lang siya ini-imagine, you are also doing something about it. Na kung paano mo to mas stabilize, paano mo to mabibuild, paano mo ma-develop. Now, your challenge is the Justice card. So, this can be the decision making, no? So, maaring maging challenging sa'yo yung mga major decisions na kailangan mong gawin ngayong September. Especially that may mga taong iiwasan ka, ika-cut off mo, ile-let go mo. Kasi part yun ng change, di ba? So, maaring yun yung maging challenging sa una. But I feel like you're going to choose yourself, of course. Na hindi mo naman kailangang i-compromise yung relationship mo sa iba. Ibig sabihin, you will set boundaries, but you are also willing to help. But first, you have to help yourself muna, 'di ba? Sarili mo muna. Kasi paano ka makakatulong kung sa iba kung ang sarili mo hindi mo kayang tulungan. Now, your opportunity, you have the Seven of Swords. Some of you, Libra, maaring meron kayong marirealize about the toxic side of yourself. Let's face it, lahat naman tayo merong toxic side, walang perfect. Okay? Kahit na sabihing healed or ang isang tao healed na, we cannot totally heal. We can only be aware of the feelings that comes with that pain, pero we don't totally heal. So, some of you, ito yung ma-explore nyo sa sarili nyo na parang marirealize nyo na hindi lang naman yung iba ang may problema, pwedeng ikaw rin. Okay? So, I think merong mga taong magpaparealize sa'yo niyan, and you will understand na may mga pagkakataon rin na kailangan natin ng ibang tao, no, to grow, to explore. Although, malalaman mo yan the moment na mas mag-spend ka ng oras sa sarili mo. Oo, kasi focus ka muna ngayon sa sarili mo, sa pagbabagong nagaganap na ito. Now, your blessing ngayong September is about movement. So the Chariot is asking you to move, to focus on your goals nang hindi ka nadidistract. Dahil magiging matagumpay ka. Okay? Ayan, no? Maraming action, maraming adventure for you ngayong September. New places, new experiences. Maaring may blessing of a car or anything na a transportation or like a vehicle, no? Pwedeng travel opportunities then for you can be a blessing para mas, mas magkaroon ka ng time for yourself. Bakasyon, oo, maaring isa yan sa magiging blessing nyo. Yung bakasyon or pagkakaroon ng sasakyan na gusto nyo talaga. Codependency, ayan. I think ito yung sinasabi kong change sa inyo na sabi nga nothing will change if you will not change something. Parang ganon. So, ano ba, payag ka na ba na nandyan ka lang sa cage na yan? 'Di ba? So, it's you breaking free. And part of that breaking free is you na removing that limitation. Kasi, meron kang purpose eh. And yan yung hinahanap mo, yung deeper meaning in life. Yes. And whatever excess baggage, unresolved issues na kailangan mong i-let go, you will let that go kasi yan yung magpapabigat ng daladalahin mo habang bumabiyahe ka. So, kailangan mo na talagang i-let go yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.